Globalization, a world economy. China, America, Miss Riley, can't you see? Imports and exports, who is selling more? Shipping oil across the ocean shores. Industrialization is spitting out CO2. Factories and sweatshops, they don't care about you. We're killing our environment, ecosystems and all. These big market nations are way too big to fall. Fossil fuels making the Middle East prosperous. The debt that we're accumulating is monstrous. No one knows what to do, no one knows what to say, except turn to the taxpayers and trying to make them pay. Human rights are some laws that are based in Constitution. In other countries, man, they act as restitution. Smaller countries we know have been under so much stress to be as big and as rich and as powerful as the rest. Get rid of government control and word up to laissez-faire, cause free trade is here and ready with funds and methods to share. China's admittance into the WTO is now will mean more trade, more chicken and rice chow. China's economy has slowly started to grow, just like that orange chicken. You know, props to General So. Let me check back quick to the environment. With global warming here, this verse is only a hint. Factories in Mexico, maquiladoras is that word, especially when their economy is fueled by the herb. All of these gas fumes are so absurd. The ozone is shrinking, and our planet is on the verge of overheating and becoming a place of mutilation. Then what will happen to the entire globalization? I hope you learned something about the economy that is nationwide markets that keep this world flowing sweet.